Good morning. Here is a video to show how to reuse your ecoLASHES. So just take your applicator, and I have some of the lashes that I used. I have 99% alcohol. The higher the alcohol content, the better. If you could find organic, that's fabulous. And I just dropped the lashes into the alcohol. And they need to soak for at least a half an hour. What I do is I let them soak overnight. So if I take them off on a Friday night, then they're soaking Friday night, and then I take them Saturday and put them on the lash pad. So here's your lash pad, your silicone lash pad. And this is great for drying your lashes. We do sell it online. And so once they're finished soaking, just take them and let them dry on the lash pad. And I like to spread them out just because I think they dry better. And you just keep doing that until they're all on the pad, and you let them dry, I would say another day. But they dry fairly quickly. So if you need them quickly, you can get it done. It doesn't take forever, and I'm having trouble grabbing this. You just want to be very careful because they are lashes and they are a little delicate. So after they dry, I just use my travel jar here. And what I've done, especially when I'm traveling, is that each compartment gets a different size. So I like to use all three sizes, and sometimes I use wispy. So you could usually see which one is what size, especially since, when you get to know your lashes. So I just put, the 10s in here, the 12s in here, 14 in here, or I'll put like 12, 14 and wispy, just so they're kept separately. And then they're good to go, and you can reuse them again.